Yeah. Okay. So right now we focus on using the using the apostrophe in possessive nouns. Jadi possessive nouns itu adalah kepemilikan, ya, menggunakan apostrofi. Ini ada sebuah kata benda ini ya, the girl. Girl ini mempunyai benda juga, noun also, book. Makanya namanya disebut possessive nouns, artinya sebuah kata benda memiliki benda. Nah, itu artinya. Kenapa namanya possessive nouns? Karena kalau kamu ingat, kita pernah belajar juga tentang kepemilikan, tapi kita namakan possessive adjectives. Apa itu contohnya possessive adjectives? What are the example? Possessive adjectives to her. Terus apalagi his, my. Ingat ya, ini namanya possessive adjectives. Jadi nanti fungsinya beda-beda, walaupun sama-sama menandakan kepemilikan. My, our, and then your, terus their. Apalagi ya? Satu lagi its. Ini namanya possessive adjectives. Tapi kalau yang namanya possessive nouns itu yang sekarang kita pelajari, yang pakai apostrophe s. Oke? Sama-sama keduanya ini either possessive nouns or possessive adjective. Both of them needs the noun afterwards. Mereka membutuhkan kata benda setelahnya. Jadi ngerti ya, kenapa sih namanya possessive nouns? Karena kata bendanya yang memiliki, ya, si yang punya ini disebutkan, dan juga dia adalah noun. Jadi noun yang memiliki noun. That is why we call it possessive noun. So we cannot use in here subject pronoun. Kita nggak bisa pakai she. She's book, ini salah ya. Berarti ya, this is not a possessive noun. Ini salah. Nah, perhatikan cara penambahan apostrophe s. Not always with s. Apostrophe to show a possession is not always with s. For example, like this one. The girls-nya ada bentuk plural. Maka kita hanya tambahkan apostrophe. The girls' books. Satu lagi ketika kalau noun yang memiliki itu, ya, si yang punyanya berakhiran dengan s. Contoh namanya misalnya Tobias. Tobias punya buku. Tobias's books. Oke? Ini juga hanya menggunakan apostrofi saja. Tidak pakai S setelahnya. Tidak kamu tambahkan gini. Tobias's book. Ini boleh, tapi Miss lebih prefer yang seperti ini. Karena apa? Ini belakang namanya dia terakhir adalah huruf S. So we only add apostrophe. The same as, for example, Thomas. Namanya Thomas. Thomas's bike. Tapi cara bacanya disebutin ya, ses-nya ya. Thomas's, bukan Thomas. Tapi Thomas's, karena namanya berakhiran dengan S, maka kamu kasih hissing sound, ses gitu setelahnya, sebelum menyebutkan benda yang dimiliki. Oh, okay. That's only for reviewing a bit about what we learned possessive nouns. Sekarang kita coba ya, ini kasih soal. It's about the possessive nouns. Let's see. Oh, maybe we can just practice this first. Before I give you the quizzes, I want to make sure whether you understand the concept of possessive nouns or not. Ya, kita bisa bilang seperti ini untuk mendeskripsikan sesuatu dimiliki oleh seseorang atau sesuatu lainnya. The cards belong to Bill. Berarti kartu-kartu dimiliki atau milik Bill. Ini bisa ya, tapi kita boleh juga gunakan possessive noun sentence. For example, like this, they are Bill's cards. Why should we use they as a subject? Ini kan subjeknya. Subjek, predikat, subjek, predikat, in here, objek, ya. This one. Kenapa kita pakai they? Karena ini yang dimiliki bendanya lebih dari satu. The cards. So we point to the cards with subject pronoun they. They are Bill's cards. Number two, the bag belongs to Norma. Bendanya cuma satu nih yang dimiliki oleh Norma. Jadi kita bilangnya it. It is Norma's bag. Ya, let's try number three. Devlin, number three, Devlin. How do you change the sentence with the sentence that uses possessive nouns?
Di sini. Tunggu ya, Miss, lagi pikir dulu ya.
Yes, yes.
It is my brother's book. Books.
It is my brother's. Ini book.
Ya,
This one.
ya.
Nah, ini nggak bisa pakai it. Kenapa nggak boleh pakai it? It ini mengacu kepada apa? Buku-buku kan? Yang kamu maksud it itu kan sebenarnya adalah buku-buku tersebut. Nah, bukunya ada lebih dari satu. Jadi kamu harus ganti dengan subjek pronoun apa, Devlin?
They are
Yes, they are
my brother's book.
my brother's book. Okay, books. Yeah. So you have to look at how many plural or singular for the object that is or are possessed. Ayat number 4. Lihat bendanya dulu ya.
Room.
Memiliki room, only one.
It is.
Yes.
It is. So. It is Joseph's
Yes.
room.
Yeah. Okay, good. Now number 5 and 6, I want you to type in the chat box. Dua-duanya tolong tulis di chat box. Seperti yang tadi kamu coba on the previous numbers. Pay attention to the plural singular form. Oke, the Browns itu adalah nama family ya. The name of a family, nama keluarganya adalah the Browns. Kalau kita nama marganya lah gitu. Misalnya nama marganya itu Jason, ada anaknya namanya Jason, Jason Brown. The daddy's name is Danny Brown, ya kan? Nah, so they are the Browns. They are called the Browns. Ya, maka mereka berdua kalau orang menyebutnya adalah si marganya ini yang dipakai. Okay, you have answered it. How about you, Devlin? It's not this one. It's number 6, yeah. Number 6, how about number 6? Ah, yeah, sorry. Number 6. Devlin, 5 and 6.
Apa?
You haven't sent it in the chat box. The answer for number 5 and 6. Could you please send it in the chat box?
Masih tulis.
Oh, yeah. Ya, pakai kalimatnya, Devlin. Gunakan kalimat not only Brown's house. Ya. So, for example, number 4, you cannot say Joseph's room. Itu bukan kalimat. Tapi kamu bisa menggunakan subject pronoun sebagai subjeknya untuk menjadikan ke dalam kalimat. Ingat ya, kalau kalimat itu berarti ada subjek, ada predikat. That's the minimum requirement for making a sentence. Yes, okay. Devlin done? Okay, so the answer is it is the Browns. Browns-nya gimana? Pakai apostrofi S begini atau apostrofi only? Kita hanya gunakan apostrofi only ya. Yes. Ya, karena Brown sudah berakhiran dengan S. Nah, cara bacanya it is the Browns' house. Kalau cara bacanya kasih hissing sound-nya. Gitu. Brown's house. And then number 6, it is Erin apostrophe S ya. Erin's mask. Okay. Next for number 7. How about number 7? Devlin and Aya, please type for number 7. This one, sandals. Sandals ada lebih dari satu. So the answer, you have to use they to replace sandals. They are Nikki's apostrophe S sandals, like this. So pay attention how many plural or singular for the object that is belong to. Ya, lihat benda yang dimiliki itu lebih dari satu atau satu. Yep, okay, maybe we can try with the quizzes. It's the same thing like what just now you did. Let's look at number 1. Choose the correct sentence that uses possessive nouns to replace the sentence below. Jadi, ini ada sebuah kalimat, the biscuits belong to Jess. Kalimat yang ini kamu ganti dengan kalimat yang menggunakan possessive nouns. Look at The biscuits. Nih ya. Subjeknya yang dimiliki, benda yang dimiliki itu kan plural form ya. Biscuitsnya banyak. Jadi kamu ganti ini dengan they. They are Jess's biscuits. Jangan lupa ini pluralnya ya beda dengan yang pilihan A. That's because it doesn't have S on the biscuits. Pay attention also to the apostrophe and S. Should we add S after apostrophe or not? To get the descriptions about the theme of this unit. Ini Miss bacain aja ya, nanti minggu depan baru kamu yang baca. Then and now. Today, communication and travel are fast, and it is easy to get news. But a long time ago, things were very different. Communication. Long ago, people used letters to communicate. They mailed letters to friends and families. Letters were carried by horse and cart, and later by train or boat. Today, communication is different and letters are carried by airplane. We can use email, text messages, or phone calls to communicate quickly with friends and family all over the world. News. Before newspaper, people talked to each other to get news. Then people printed the news on paper and newspapers started. Later, they listened to the radio for news. Today, we can get news anytime we want. Travel. People long ago walked from place to place or traveled by horse and cart. When they traveled long distances, they went by train or ship. It was slow and difficult. Today, we can travel in cars, fast trains, buses, or airplanes to go to places that are far away. We can travel to places across the ocean or across the world in a day. Travel is fast and easy now. Yeah, okay. If you pay attention in this passage, the passage tries to compare the condition in the past, then itu artinya lalu. Maksudnya masa lalu, and now, and the present. Okay, then in this listening activity that you're going to hear, you will hear the comparison between the conditions of transportations in the past, then, and at present, now. I will show this one. Give me a minute to administer the audio. So you're going to hear a conversation between grandma and the grandchild and the grandchild. They're talking about transportations in the past and also transportation today's.
Mau lebih glowing?
D4. Communicate. Listening. C. Listen.
You can hear the sound clearly, right? Bisa kedengeran jelas ya?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. If you need a paper and pencil, please get it. If you don't, just remember the answer.
Who has a new motorcycle?
Yep. Okay. The first part, listen. You have to answer these questions. Who has a new motorcycle?
Look, they're delivering a lot of fruit and vegetables to the supermarket in that big truck. We didn't have trucks when I was a little girl.
What did you have then?
Well, farmers delivered their fruit and vegetables to markets by horse and cart.
Really? I didn't know that. How did you go to school, Grandma?
Well, we didn't go to school by bus back then. There weren't any buses. We traveled to school in cable cars. It was slow, but it was fun.
There aren't any cable cars now. We go to school by bus now. Guess what, Grandma? Dad has a new motorcycle. Did people travel by motorcycle long ago?
Oh, no. We didn't have motorcycles like people do now. We traveled to places nearby on bicycles.
How did you travel when you wanted to go far away?
We didn't often go far away, but if we needed to go to another city, we traveled by boat on the river.
We never go by boat now. We travel by airplane. It's fast and fun.
Yes. Okay. So did you get the answer for part C? Who has a new motorcycle?
Dad.
Yes, the answer is Dad. Yeah. If you listen to it carefully, the girl said that Dad has a new motorcycle. Now you are going to listen one more time, and this time there will be some transportations mentioned mentioned in the conversation. The first transportation that is mentioned is truck, and then you continue. What is the next transportation that is mentioned in the conversation? Okay, lihat ya, dengar ya. Transportasi berikutnya apa yang diucapkan atau yang didiskusikan di dalam percakapan yang tadi. Ini sudah dikasih contoh. Yang pertama itu mereka diskusi tentang truck. What is the next thing? Try to find it out. I suggest you to jot down your answer. Coba kamu tulis jawabannya atau diketik aja in your laptop. Probably you can open Notepad or Microsoft Word or something that you can type on. You just type the answer 1. Truck, for example. And then 2. Tulis aja jawabannya. For example, airplane. Ya, kayak gitu cara tulisnya supaya kamu jangan lupa. Okay, let's continue for part D.
D. Listen again and number the words in the order you hear them.
Look, they're delivering a lot of fruit and vegetables to the supermarket in that big truck. We didn't have trucks when I was a little girl.
What did you have then?
Well, farmers delivered their fruit and vegetables to markets by horse and cart.
Really? I didn't know that. How did you go to school, Grandma?
Well, we didn't go to school by bus back then. There weren't any buses. We traveled to school in cable cars. It was slow, but it was fun.
There aren't any cable cars now. We go to school by bus now. Guess what, Grandma? Dad has a new motorcycle. Did people travel by motorcycle long ago?
Oh, no. We didn't have motorcycles like people do now. We traveled to places nearby on bicycles.
How did you travel when you wanted to go far away?
We didn't often go far away, but if we needed to go to another city, we traveled by boat on the river.
We never go by boat now. We travel by airplane. It's fast and fun.
Okay, that's all. Have you got the answer, Aya? Have you got all of them? Yeah. Okay. How about you, Padma?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay then. Maybe we can just discuss it together. So, what is number 2? Aya.
Horse.
Yes, okay. Horse and cart. Number 3, Padma.
Me,
Yes,
bus,
good job. 4, Devlin.
Cable car.
Yes, okay. 5, Aya.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle, great. 6, Devlin. Sorry, Padma. You can unmute, Padma. After motorcycle, what was discussed?
okay.
Hmm?
After what now? After what?
Which one? Boat.
Um,
Bicycle.
uh, bicycle.
Bicycle. Okay. Continue, Devlin.
Boat.
Boat. And the last one is airplane. Okay. But all of you did very well on the speaking. Now.
Yes.